in this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Roblox Plus item discount error. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why this happens. The first being Roblox server or Plus service issues. It could also be item not eligible for discount, temporary cache or data problems, outdated app, payment method or region restriction, and even account or subscription sync issue. So the first thing you want to simply go ahead and do is simply go ahead and check for membership status. Simply go to Roblox setting and billing into membership and make sure that Roblox Plus is active and not expired. The second thing you can try to do is leave the game or website and rejoin on a free internet connection or a brand new refreshed internet connection. You can also simply go ahead and clear your browser cache or even your app cache. And if that is not the case, not all items are eligible for Plus discount. So simply go ahead and check the item page for the Plus discount tag. If that is not the case, you can try another item, update your Roblox application, and even check your payment method. And finally, if none of it works, just log out and log in. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.